Is your Windows PC feeling like a paperweight lately? Before you spend money on a RAM upgrade or you think about a factory reset, you need to say this. I found a completely free tool that stripped away the lag and made my device run like new again. And I'm not talking about slightly faster. I'm talking about a total performance overhaul. And in today's video guys, I will be showing you how to set up, which boxes to check, and how to get new PC feel back in minute. So I will be leaving the link in the description. You can come to this GitHub page and it's a Windows maintenance tool. And if you want to read about it, what exactly it offers, like the system tweak and what is inside the system tweak, it will give you all the detail, like the performance optimization, the bloatware option, the Windows update presets, update in software, system health and repair that basically will fix any problem with your Windows 10 or 11. Even it manages the network and DNS to fix any kind of network issues, the firewall manager, and many more things. Alright, so in order to download this tool, on the right hand side you will find the releases option. You will have to click on latest. Again scroll down a bit and you will find two different options here. Below the asset start WMT GUI.bat and .ps1. You need to download both of them. Once downloaded, open the downloaded folder. Now make a right click on this bat file, start wmt_GUI. Make a right click on it. Choose run as administrator so that it can run with all the administrative privileges. Click on run. Click on yes. It will come up with a command prompt page. And very soon you will find the dashboard of the Windows maintenance tool and it will look like this. Now here if you look on the left hand side, it gives you different categories like the updates, winget. If you want to update any of your packages, any of your software, then you can basically search for here, and if there is any available, it will even give you the list. Now as of now, we will skip this and come to the tweak section. And it gives you many different options. And the best part is, after applying any changes, you have another option to revert it back. For example, you can set all the services to the manual, and once you click on it, you can see on the left hand corner in the activity log what exactly it's doing. And if you want to revert it, you can easily revert it. Similarly, if you want to disable the hibernation, now many of the people go ahead and disable the hibernation to improve the performance and to save some space in their storage, then you can click on disable hibernation and the settings will be applied here. In future, if you change your mind, you can enable the hibernation again. So if you're looking for a better optimization and you don't need the hibernation, then you should go ahead and disable it. Similarly, you can disable the super fetch. In future, if you want to enable, you can enable it. Disable the memory compression. And even if you want to apply the ultimate performance power plan, if you're not sure, let me bring it up. You can bring it up by typing a simple command powercfg.cpl. And once you hit the enter key, as of now, you will see only 3 power plan, balanced, power saver, and the high performance. Now if I close it and click on ultimate performance, it will be automatically creating an ultimate performance power plan and enable it. So let me bring it up again. And bingo. So you can see the ultimate performance is being created. And you can select this option and it says provide ultimate performance on higher end PC. So basically these power plan are created for the high end PCs and laptop, especially for the people who do any kind of gaming or video editing. And if you have such kind of device, you can go ahead and enable this option. Now next is the bloatware removal option. And in order to apply this, first you can click on load apps. Wait for some time. And it will be loading all kind of bloatware installed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, especially on Windows 11. Now if you want to manually select few of them, then you can just check here, whichever you want to remove, like weather, grow music, get help, and then you can click on the remove selected option. But if you want to remove all of them, you can simply click on remove all. Choose any of your option and the settings will be applied that you can view on the left hand corner in the activity log. Next you have the Windows optional features. So here you can disable the Hyper-V, Sandbox, Telnet, IIS, Legacy Media. So it will all depend on you what exactly you want to do this. Services management. You want to optimize service, then you can click on it, and below you can have a look what exactly it's doing. Next is the scheduled task. If you want to disable the telemetry task, then you should go ahead and select it. Now the telemetry task basically collect that information that you do on your device, like what kind of browsing you are doing, what kind of work you are doing. And if you want to maintain your privacy, then you can also click on disable telemetry task. And then finally you have the Windows update preset. So either you can set to default or only the security only, so that it should run only the security related update, or you can either disable all. Now disable all is not recommended because you will be missing a lot of security update, driver update and many other kind of update. But I have seen some people that really don't need any kind of Windows update, especially on the older devices. So you have an option here to disable all the Windows updates. So again, it will all depend on the user to user that what is your requirement. Now let's come to the system health option. And here basically they give you some kind of default scan like the SSD, the DISM and the check disk option. Now this is an easier way where you just have to make a click, and if you have any issues related to your Windows file, your operating system file that is not working properly, you have a system lagging issues or many other kind of problems, then it's highly recommended. Click on SFC scan, run it. It may take some time to complete the scan, so you will have to wait. Once it's been completed, you can also run the DISM scan and even the check disk that will be running the chk dsk command. Again, it may take some time, so you will have to wait and keep some patience. I'm only giving you the demonstration here, so I won't be running all of them, but yes, this is how exactly it will be running. Alright, now next you have the network and DNS, and here by default it gives you many options. Like in the diagnostic tool, you can click on show IP config and it will give you the detail about your network, what kind of DNS you have, what kind of IP address you are using, gateway, all the detail you can gather from here. You can even flush the DNS, so if you have any issues with the DNS, flushing the DNS can fix many kind of internet connectivity issues, issues with the Wi-Fi, issues with the local area connection. You can even restart the Wi-Fi in case if you have any issues. You also have the full net repair that you can click on it, and it says what exactly it will be doing. It will be releasing the IP first, and then it will be renewing the IP again so that you can assign with a new IP address. Then it will flush the DNS cache, even it will be resetting the WinSock and reset the IP stack. And most of the time, if you have issues with the internet, doing this will be fixing your problem. Then you have the DNS server. By default, it has given you the Google Cloudflare Quad 9 Auto DSCP. And if you need a better connectivity, and you should have a faster DNS server so that it can respond quickly, and you should have the better internet connection speed and respond. Now for most of you, I would recommend you either go with the Google or the Cloudflare. Now personally that I use is Cloudflare, so I will select it. And it says set DNS to Cloudflare, even it give you the details, so I will click on yes. Below it says download ad block, edit host. So if you want to disable any kind of website, disable any kind of IP, then you can do from here. Next you have the firewall manager. So if you want to manage the firewall, if you want to disable any of the firewall, if you want to enable it, you can select it and choose whatever you want to apply. You can either disable it, you can even delete it, or you can export the file as well, or you can restore to default in case if you are not sure what exactly you have done, and so on. Then you have the drivers option, very useful. Generate driver report, it will be generating the driver report. Export driver, you can export it. Remove ghost devices. Now again, if you hover up on it, say it's remove disconnected PNP devices. Now ghost devices basically mean that you are not using, that they are being disconnected, but they are still running on your computer. So it's better to remove them. So you can click on it and it will be done. And even it will give you all the detail here that what exactly it has removed that basically you were not using. Then you can also choose the clean old driver option, and if you click on it, it will be cleaning all the old drivers that are really not required. And this is how exactly you are optimizing your Windows, and these options basically you don't get anywhere else. Below it says Windows update setting, disable the driver update, enable the driver update, disable device metadata. If you want to disable the driver update, like Windows update should not run any kind of driver update, and you should do it manually, then you can do that. Again, I won't recommend you, as I always recommend that you should update your drivers time to time, and Windows Update is one of the best way to update all your drivers. Then you have the cleanup option. Now here in the cleanup you can run the disk cleanup, and if you click on it, it will bring up the Windows disk cleanup where you can choose and delete all the files that are not required, occupying the space and creating the problem. You can delete the temporary file by making a one click here. You can fix the shortcuts. If you have any issues with the shortcut folders or any kind of file, you can also fix that. And you can clean the Xbox data as well. Next, you have the utility system tool. So it will be helping you to trim the SSD. Microsoft activation. Now basically you can use for activating the Windows or the Office. I won't be going in the depth, but yes, you can give a try in case if you have unactivated version of the Windows or Office. Repairs and settings. Again, you can reset the update SVC, restart update SVC. And these are the tweaks that will be helping you to fix many kind of Windows problem. And if you go ahead and apply all this tweak at least once, you will find a great change on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully you found this tool useful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.